In this video, we're going to take a look at multi-asset work orders, also called rounds or routes. The multi-asset work order gives you the ability to add multiple assets to a single work order record, making your daily workflow a more efficient process. The easiest way to explain is with an example. Let's say every month, the EH&S team performs a safety inspection throughout the plant and want to track every check in the CMMS. They start at one end of the plant checking all the safety systems one after the other. We'll start by navigating to the scheduled maintenance screen and clicking New. The first item on the safety walk is Fire Extinguisher 1, so we'll pick that from the asset list. Set the maintenance type as Safety. Priority is High. And we want to complete this within 3 days. We'll fill in the summary of the issue. In the Scheduling tab, we'll configure a simple time-based trigger to execute on the first day of every month, starting next month. Next, we'll navigate to Task Groups and select Add New Task Group. Select the Fire Extinguisher Monthly Checklist from the list. We'll assign the Safety Manager to all the tasks. And click OK. We now have a basic PM on one fire extinguisher. This is where it gets interesting. Click Add Another Asset on the left-hand side to include a second asset on the PM. Next on our walk is Fire Extinguisher 2, so we'll pick that from the list. In this case, the assets are identical. We can copy the checklist from Fire Extinguisher 1. In the General tab, you'll now see we have converted this PM from single asset to multi-asset. Let's keep going. Next on the safety walk is the fire sprinkler system. Click Add Another Asset again. Select the fire sprinkler system from the asset list. In this case, the sprinkler system has a different checklist, so we'll skip the copy option. We will manually add its task group in the Labor Tasks tab. Find the task group on the list. Apply this task group to one asset only, in this case the sprinkler system, and click OK. Assign all tasks to the Safety Manager again, and click OK. We now have 3 assets on the PM. We can continue to add as many assets as needed until the safety route is complete. Remember, the multi-asset work order is for quick tasks on multiple assets. My recommendation is no more than 10 or 15 minutes per asset. Any longer than that, and it deserves its own PM. Multi-assets are a great way to minimize the number of PMs you have in your CMMS while making your maintenance activities more efficient. And that's it.